The microAIR 50 series comes in three models: the MA50, which is a mattress overlay, and the MA51 and the MA55, which are true mattress replacement units. All three have similar features, except that the MA55 has an optional modified low air loss feature. For this demonstration, we're going to use a 55. The unit will arrive in a single container. The mattress will be rolled up in here with the power unit tucked inside. As you remove the components, observe how everything has been designed for ease of installation. Notice that sewn into the bottom of the mattress are carrying straps. This simplifies setup and teardown. All you have to do is roll it up and carry it with the handles. You don't need a duffel bag or some other means to keep everything together. When you put it on the bed, make sure that you have the red tag on the left side of the bed. That is the left side as you stand at the foot section of the bed. Undo the straps and unroll it. Notice we do have the foot end labeled on the mattress itself, so it's somewhat foolproof as far as how it goes on the bed. Now, hang the power unit on the bed end itself. Simply hang it on the end, and that securely mounts it to the bed. And we have a 14-foot power cord. It's hospital grade. It's grounded. Plug it in here and run it over to the wall receptacle and plug it in. Avoid creating a trip point when you're setting the power cord. Make sure it's routed in a way that's not a hazard to anyone walking through the room. Also make sure that it's not entangled in any of the moving parts of the bed itself. Now attach the hose. It's permanently connected to the mattress. It has a protective cover around it to prevent it from getting kinked or from getting in between the mechanism of the bed itself. It's an extra layer of protection against wear and against any type of damage. Look at the connector. It's a very well thought out and designed piece. You'll notice that it has three hoses. The MA55 has three hoses, two for alternating pressure and one for modified low air loss. The 50 and 51 have only two hoses. We have combined all three hoses into one connector that's easy to attach and remove. Just squeeze these two buttons on the ends and connect it to the power unit. It's simple and it's durable. If we had hoses just running straight in, it would be very susceptible to breaking. Typically, people want to take them and try to pry them off. You're not going to do that with this piece. With this design, the connectors are not going to break even if you drop it. When attaching the hose to the power unit, make sure that you wrap it around and underneath like this. Then plug it in. Now, it's just a matter of inflating the mattress. On the control panel, turn it on and press the max inflate button. You can expect it to take about 30 minutes for a Series 50 mattress to fully inflate. While that's blowing up, make sure the CPR hose plugs are in place so the air doesn't try to escape as you're trying to inflate the mattress. As an extra level of protection, we offer a CPR release. It's here at the head section. We put it here so that if you need to provide CPR resuscitation, you can start more quickly because the air will exit the upper body section faster. Press down on the button lock and pull the plug. The air will start escaping from this immediately. To expedite the process, remove the hose from the power unit. This gives the air another avenue to escape. But that's for quickly evacuating the air from the mattress. For inflating the mattress, make sure the hose plugs are secure. Again, press down on the button lock, insert the plug, and release the button. As the mattress inflates, use these tie-down straps to attach the unit to the bed frame. There are 10 of them, 3 on each side, 2 on the head, and 2 on the foot. Attach them like this. Fasten the strap around the deck section of the bed. Make certain that you go around the deck section of the bed only, not the frame of the bed. If you attach the mattress to the frame, You can tear the mattress or damage the bed, or both, when you try to lift the front or back deck section. So make sure that you attach the straps to the movable deck sections of the bed. Lace the strap through the two loops. Separate the loops. Then bring the strap over the top of the first loop, then lace it underneath the second loop. Pull the strap tight to cinch it down, and the mattress will be secured to the bed frame. The MA50 is a little different. Since it's an overlay, you do not attach it to the bed. Instead, it has elastic hold-downs that fit around the mattress corners.